Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And in this case, I suspect this is one of the least exciting Swiss Army knives we've ever looked at in the entirety of my channel. Now, this is the 93mm Solo Pruner Swiss Army knife. And the Solo Swiss Army knives are the ones that have just a single blade. So this is literally the entirety of this knife. It's just a Swiss Army knife with the pruning blade, the small pruning blade. And I got it. Oh, by the way, this particular one is also one of the corporate gift type corporate promotion knives, and that's why it says Bugnard on the back of it and has this particular gold color. The reason I got it is because I was super curious to see one of the Solos, and I feel like if you need a pruning knife and you're out to do some pruning, this is probably not a bad choice, because you have the slightly longer scales, being a 93mm. So at least for me, it feels pretty good when you hold it. I mean, like, you can get like a decent grip on it, like so. And you have the pruning blade, so you have the decent quality Victorinox pruning blade. And I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's a choice. Now, I feel like there's a lot of wasted space in this. Like, they could have, I don't know. This is a weird one. I think that I'm glad I got this because I wanted to see it. But this is one of those ones that's never gonna leave the drawer. It's gonna go in the drawer and it's gonna live there forever. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? You think the whole Solo thing, especially with the small Solo blade, is a weird choice? I kind of feel it is. I'll include links in the description where you can find out about this particular knife. I did not see a link. I didn't see a Swiss Army Knife wiki link for the Pruner version of this, but I'm linking you to the Electrician Solo in the description, and that's pretty much the exact same thing, only electrician's blade instead of the pruning blade, so you can get the general idea there. I'll also include a link to Amazon. The link to Amazon is going to be like an Amazon search link, because I didn't see, when I was doing this, getting ready for this video, I did not see this for sale on Amazon anywhere. I found this one on eBay, and man, curiosity got the best of me. So maybe in this case, my curiosity can save y'all a little money, and maybe have you get any of the other Pioneer blade, like 93mm Pioneer type knives that have two blades instead, because I feel there's like just a lot of waste here. And then, I mean, just even looking at it from the side, I mean, it's empty. You see down there, it's empty. There's nothing here. I mean, like, literally, it's just dead space. So, I feel like this is a miss. But maybe my miss will save y'all a little bit of money, and, you know, you can get one of these that has two blades. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you think this would actually be super useful, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.